Hey YouTube, what's happening? Indoor Tech here with another Kodi add-on video. This is going to be a good one. We're going to do this one a little bit different today. You see I'm doing it on my PC. So let's get started. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, share. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, go to our File Explorer, open it up, open up your C drive, make a new folder. We can just call it Adult. Then I've got a URL link we're going to type in to download the repo. I'll put the link in the description and you can copy it. And it's going to download this sarcasm repository. Go to the folder, which is going to be in your downloads folder. The repository is right here. Right click, cut or copy. I cut. Go to where you made your new folder, your C drive. Adult, paste. Alright, just putting it in your C drive makes it a little easier to get to in your Kodi. So now let's go back to our Kodi. Go to settings, system, add-ons, make sure you turn on unknown sources, hit yes. We go back to our file manager. No, I'm sorry. Let's go all the way back to our home screen on our Kodi. Click add-ons, your open file box, install from zip file. Find your C, find adult, and your repository sarcasm 1.0.1 zip. This repo may change depending on when you see the video. Click on the repository, install. Go to install from repository, sarcasm, video add-ons, panty raiders. Hit install. It's got additional add-ons to install with it with dependencies. Hit OK. Give it a few moments. It won't take long. Now you can back up to your home screen. Panty Raiders. Click on it. No password needed. It's got a lot of good ones in here, guys. Some of them don't have anything in there yet. but there's a lot of them in there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, please consider subscribing if you like the video. If there's something else you want to see, put it in the comments. Have a great day.